promise to hold your hands as we journey this life together. I will choose you every day because you are my rock, my best friend, the love of my life, and my home.
Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at tayong dalawa'y maghahasik nung kaligayahan. Bitawan ng unang salita, ako ay handa nang tumapak sa lupa.
This is for...
Thank you, love. Isabel pala. Sorry lang, na-late yung bata ko.
Okay, let's open it.
Kinino ba to?
Mundo ko ay iyong niyanig, o anong ligayang kay sumama sa...
Groom and si Bride is my colleague before, pero mas matagal ko nakasama si Kier kasi siya yung ka-teammate ko. Ano yan, nagsabay kumakain palagi yan kapag hindi pa lunchtime. Galingan nyo parehas, tiwala sa isa't isa. Huwag nyo kakalimutan at tumingin lagi.
Panaginip ang muling mapag...
Si Tita JM po. Siya po yung bride-to-be ng tito ko. Doon ko po siya nakilala. Tita and
Ang dati ay
Ang
baliw.
naalala ko na nagkakilala sila is parang dati taga-title din si Hakim. Hindi niya pa ata sinagot that time. Kaya after a few years, nagulat ako na sila na.
Okay, tagal kitang ang dati ay baliwala.
Yung boyfriend ko, best friend ni Groom. So, best friend ko rin siya. Nagkakilala sila 2018. Acquaintance lang ganun. Kasi yung brother ni Groom, yun yung friend namin, ni Bride. So yun, doon nag-start yun.
Kitang hinitay.
Umay palangga. As we stand before God today, I am reminded of the countless ways He's shown us His goodness. You are my constant reminder that life is beautiful.
Grade school friend po namin si Bride, si Judy. Best wishes, congratulations, and masaya kami na
Ikakasal.
yes.
Ang naiambag ko, wala, ganda lang.
Nadarama mo ngayon, di mo dapat ikinukubli.
Si groomsman, kapatid ko siyang bunso, and I'm his older brother. Well, growing up, si Kier or si Akim has been very smart. Paborito talaga siya ng parents namin.
Yung papasok na sila sa buhay may asawa, masabaan nila yung pasensya nila, mag-uumpisa pa lang ulit yung panibagong journey sa buhay nila.
Kung mali nagiging tama, lakas ng tama ko sa'yo, yan ang totoo.
As we stand here today, I am overwhelmed by the journey that has led us to this moment. From kaibigan ng kapatid mo na naging crush mo kasi sabi mo na love at first sight ka kasi sobrang ganda ko, na naging totga mo at ngayon magiging asawa mo na.
Papilitin ay wala kong pipiliin, ikaw lang, ikaw lang.
God is truly amazing. And I want to thank Him for giving me the best gift. Thank you for making me experience things I've never experienced before. I feel cherished, and now I know what it feels like to be loved more.
Parati ang isusukli, liliit ang pagsubok kahit
Thank you for treating me right and handling me well. Ang sarap lang magmahal at mahalin dahil sa'yo. I am reminded of the infinite beauty and complexity of your being. You are the harmony that brings melody to my existence, the missing piece that renders my life complete. I vow to revere, support, and adore you, to be your sanctuary and your home. You are my haven, my care, and I pledge to love you with every fiber of my being, now and forevermore.
di magkasundo. Kahit papilitin ay wala kong pipiliin, ikaw lang, ikaw lang.
congrats sa bago ikakasal. Alam niyo naman kung gaano namin kayo kamahal.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng experience na magkasama tayong tatlo. Kahit minsan wala yung isa, pero magkakaibigan pa rin kahit hindi nag-uusap.
Langga, you will no longer be alone. For I vow to stand by your side through every triumph and every struggle. I will be your number one supporter, your confidant, and your partner in every sense of the word. My answered prayer.
Kaya masaya tayong
Where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God. Where you die, I will die, and there I will be buried. May the Lord deal with me, be it even so severely, if even death separated you and me.
Thank you for being you, and thank God for bringing us together. Let us honor God with our love. Cheers to forever.
You make me feel seen, heard, special, and loved in a way no one else ever has.